Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can enable the auto refresh feature in Google Chrome. For example, if you don't want to refresh websites you visit or pages manually anymore because I don't know, you're busy or you're playing a video game or doing something else on your computer and you don't want to bother yourself with refreshing pages you have open in Chrome and instead would like to give Chrome the permission to do that for you on autopilot. So let me show you how to do that really quickly, guys. For this method we're going to use and install an extension really quickly. So to do that, head over to Google Chrome to your web browser, and after that click on this button in the top right corner to access your installed extensions. Alternatively, guys, if you don't see that icon here, simply click on these three dots and select extensions from that drop-down menu, and after that select manage extensions here, and inside your list of installed extensions here you will see basically all installed extensions. So what you want to do is head over to the Chrome Web Store to gain access to even more of these extensions by clicking on that button here on the left hand side, and inside the Chrome Web Store use the search bar at the top and type in auto refresh, for example. Press enter on your keyboard, and below you will see a list of all auto refreshing tools that are supported by Google Chrome and that you may install. So pick the one you would like to use. That's totally up to you which one you go with. However, guys, I did add, for the sake of this tutorial, this one here, page auto refresh. So let me show you how to use this specific one. Click on it, and after that click on this button here, add to Chrome. Wait for Chrome to install it really quickly, and after a brief moment it will ask you for permission to install it. So give that permission, and after that the given extension will be instantaneously installed so that you may use it here by clicking on the extensions button or icon top right corner. If you don't see the given extensions icon here, you may simply pin it by clicking on that button, and after that, as you can see, the given extension will be added to these extensions here. So simply click on it, and after that, guys, in the last step, simply set an interval where you would like to make this auto refresh your page automatically, like for example every 1 second, every 5, 10, 30 seconds, minute, 5, 10, 20, 30, 60 minutes, and so on and so forth, and confirm by clicking on start here. You will see also the website or the page you would like to apply the refreshing for here below. So guys, you need to be on the active tab or page to enable or to apply the given refresher to that given page. And in the last step, guys, you may also remove all timers if you'd like to stop the auto refreshing. And that's it, as you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.